Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of ads on Instagram. So maybe you find it annoying to see ads on Instagram, and I want to show you how to set that you get rid of ads or you see less of ads on Instagram. So what you need to do is you need to go on your profile and click on the three lines icon at the top and click on settings. Okay, so here you need to go to the account center, click on the ad preferences. Okay, so this one's right here, and here you need to click on the ad topics so you can manage your ad and data sharing settings. Click on this, and here is the topics that is provided or is there on Instagram. So if you want to see a list of the ads, you can just click on the search all topics. So for example, you don't want to see ads on politics, you can just click on this or any categories. So when you click on no preference, so there might be a chance that this topic will be show up as ads in your Instagram. But if you don't want to see or see less of this topic, just click on see less and close. And you can also choose or set other topics, for example gambling. I don't want to see ads about gambling, so click on see less again. So if you click on the see less, you won't get as many ads about it, and the advertisers can target you based on an interest in it. So go back. So if you choose a see less, I hope that the ads will not be show up in my Instagram again. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can get rid of ads on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please consider to like and comment and also subscribe. See you all on the next videos. Bye bye.